Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this short video I will be showing you how to find .htaccess file in cpanel. It's very easy, just follow the instructions that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see, we are at our cpanel website. I'll click on login. So we are inside cpanel now. Here in the cpanel, just navigate to files and open file manager. This will open a new tab and it will open file manager. So in the file manager, always go to this one, public_html. This is where all your website files are located. So here you can see we have the .htaccess file here, but in some cases you will have to go to settings and select this option, show hidden files. You have to check on this option. If you don't check on this option, you will not see that file. So always go to settings and check this show hidden files and click on save. Now we have the htaccess file. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.